welcome to Blender Beginner series. In today's video, let's learn about the Extrude tool. Extrude tool is basically used to create new geometry in our meshes. It's either creating new faces, edges, or vertices. In generally, we use it with the faces only. So let's dive into edit mode by pressing tab and then select the face we need to extrude. And this button is used for extruding. Select that and then move it upward or downward and then left click to confirm the movement. You can do it in an easier way too. You simply need to select the face you need to extrude and then press E and move your mouse and left click to confirm the position. So here's something new. If you select the faces you need to extrude and then press Alt E rather than E. So there will be more extrusion options like extrude faces along normal, extrude individual face, extrude manifold. Extrude faces is the normal one which we were doing. Extrude faces along normal. So when we select this and then extrude, so you can see that it will pull the face straight out from its surface, like it would extrude along the normal point. Extrude individual faces. So if we select this, as the name suggests, it will extrude each face separately. No extra part would be extruded. And same way, if we select the face we need to extrude and then select the extrude manifold. Extrude, no extra lines would be created, no extra vertices or no extra faces would be created. Like in general, if we extrude, so there will be two faces which are created. But if we extrude a manifold, there will be no extra faces and only one faces will be selected by tapping on that.